Ruler quilting is for everyone, whether you're a home domestic machine quilter or a long arm quilter on a frame or a sit-down table. Ruler quilting doesn't have to be frustrating or hard. It can be easy with the right acrylic ruler. The STITCHLINE ruler, edge-to-edge quilting without marking. Why? Because of the reference lines that are built into the ruler. Using those reference lines, we can stitch an easy edge-to-edge design across any quilt. It makes ruler quilting fun and predictable because we have reference lines to help guide us. Stitch this beautiful edge-to-edge design without spending hours marking. If you are new to ruler quilting, this is the ruler for you. Why? Because it's beginner friendly. It has reference lines not only for this wavy side, but also for the channel and the straight edge. STITCHLINE is a 3-in-1 ruler quilting tool. Right now, I'm stitching it on a sit-down long arm, but don't let that fool you. It can be used on a home machine. That's right. STITCHLINE is available in 3 different sizes. So any design you see me stitch with my sit-down long arm Bernina Q20, I can also do it on my home machine, and frequently I do for small projects. I use the fake seam lines to help me stitch the first vertical wavy line, making sure that it was vertical and not leaning on a diagonal. Not that we can't stitch this design on a diagonal, we certainly can. You decide how you want to stitch the edge to edge. Do you want it vertical, horizontal, or diagonal? In any case, you want to pick your anchor wave, and that's the first wave that you quilt in an edge-to-edge pattern. And generally, I like to stitch the anchor wave somewhere in the middle 1/3 of the quilt. And so I'll stitch one half of it one direction and then the other half the opposite direction. And the beauty of that is, since the wave is consistent, half of it one direction and then the other half the opposite direction. It's that easy. Yes, it does take a little bit of work, right, to learn free motion acrylic ruler quilting, different techniques. We can stitch the second, third, and fourth wave on either side of a wave. We don't have to keep going in one direction. The pattern repeats no matter which direction we stitch. If we flip it, we can still stitch the pattern. With the STITCHLINE ruler, I got you covered. Every STITCHLINE ruler comes with a series of videos. And 1 is what accessories you need, and 2 is basic ruler quilting. I love quick edge-to-edge patterns, don't you? Edge-to-edge quilting is a quick way to get your UFOs done and not leave them undone on the shelf or in a drawer. It's just a repetitive stitching of a wavy design, and we have a beautiful edge-to-edge pattern. I'm Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter. I help quilters go from frustration to fabulous with 2 techniques, free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting. And I am excited to share this new acrylic ruler with you. It is an essential ruler to help you master straight line quilting, whether it's straight line with a straight edge or straight lines with the channel, which is fantastic for stitching in the ditch. But that's not all it can do. It can do a whole lot more, and I'm going to show you.